Hi friends, I am Amaresh. Today I am going to speak about auto drain valve working on application and so uh, whenever we talk about compressed air, we have to talk about water and condenser management. The conversation is incomplete without addressing drain valve to provide clean and dry compressed air. You cannot ignore moisture condensation as it directly impacts the performance of the systems. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about air compressor automatic drain valve. So first thing, what is an automatic
Good morning.
drain valve?
Today I am going to explain you about
Whatever
drain
I am
valve
showing video, this is
application,
uh,
function, and where it
first
used.
I will tell you types of
So this
auto
is
drain
the
valve.
single phase
In that,
230
there is
volts
three
50
types
hertz
of
auto drain
valve.
valve for air
One is
compressor
time control solvent
and
type.
air
This is large amount of air is lost because condensation is discharged via
then
time settings
need to use
regardless
auto
of
drain
the
valve,
amount.
or else
Next flow
dedicatedly
type. The trap has
or
low reliability and
regularly
experience
we need to
frequent
remove
clogging due to the small nozzle
moisture
diameter.
from
Next,
air
manual
receiver
valve
tank.
open. So compressed
So
air
obviously
produced
you
by
know
high
compressed
horsepower
air,
is
there
discharged
is a
into
water
the
in
air
the
in
compressed
order to
air
discharge condenser.
that
This is the
almost
three types
90%
of
of
auto
water
drain valve.
stored in
Whichever
air
I am
receiver
showing video,
and
it is solenoid
98%
control
water stored
auto
in
drain
air
valve,
receiver.
solenoid
Whatever
valve
the 5%
with
or
timer
2% of
auto
water
drain valve.
is there that
So
separate from dryer. So to
moisture
remove the
condensation is
water
a
from
common
air
problem
receiver
in all
tank, we
compressors.
need to
Okay.
maintain regularly
So and
morning
if the
and
moisture is not
evening,
drained
or
on
else
time, it can cause
corrosion
the
will happen in the
some
air receiver
problem
tank.
like reduce
It
the
leaves
capacity
and
for
it
the
enters
air
into
tank,
the
corrosion
compressed
into
air
the air tank,
application, then
reduces
it's
the
very
life of
harmful
the
to your
air,
end application.
add a high
So
level moisture
that's
in
why
the
we are
air
to
causing
reducing
excess
to
load on the
regular
air dryer. So these are
this
the
manpower
causes.
condensation remove.
So first I am going to
There is a component like auto
explain
drain
you
valve. Here there is a
this like
seconds
how
and
manual
minutes.
removal of moisture
So,
can damage
for
your
example,
air
if you
compressor.
set
So
5
most of
seconds
air compressor
and
manufacturers
20 minutes
uses
one,
manual
then
valve to drain
this
the
auto drain
moisture
valve
from the oil tank.
every 20
In the
minutes
manual
it
process,
drains the
drain
water
is performed
with
by
5 seconds
manually
duration.
removing the water
Okay,
at the
so
tank
it is a
by
single
humans
phase
every day.
auto
The
drain valve.
drawback
There is
is
a
manual
coil,
interference is
so it is a
present at the
coil, solenoid coil,
of
and it
human.
mounted into the
If there are
air
any
line,
lapses
and
into the
there is a
drainage
on and off valve,
of
and this is the
of
electrical
moisture,
supply for
it
this.
can cause excess load on the
So
air
it is a
dryer,
test button.
resulting
Whenever
in damage to
we
the
need to check
attachment.
this is working or not, then we need to
So
test.
it
from
is
test
important
button.
to drain the
Then
concentrated
it will
moisture at
drain.
the correct
So then we
interval.
can
Avoid
find out like
manual
it is very good.
The
So this is
drainage
the
of the
function of
moisture
auto
can
drain valve. Okay,
automated
the required voltage of
using
these
valve timer.
is
So how to
30
drain
volts.
solenoid
And
valve
price of
timer
these
work?
depends on you.
So first I am going to
In market there is a lot of auto drain valve.
auto drain solenoid
This
valve.
is the
So whatever I am showing.
normal auto drain valve.
Auto drain
In this
solenoid
drain
valve with timer
valve,
comes
you will
with
lose
solenoid valve
some
attached
amount
with
of
auto drain along
air
with the timer.
because
The
breathing
desired
air is
on-
free and
on
compressed
time
air is
and off time can be set
we
on the
need to
timer.
pay for
The solenoid
compressed
valve
air.
will remain
If you
on
waste
for the
compressed
set
air,
time and
then
will
the
remain
energy
closed
will-
for the set
we need
time.
to pay
For example, you can set the
unwanted.
solenoid valve
So that's
to
why in
remain
this
on for
there
5
is a
seconds.
one more auto drain
After every
valve.
24
that is
hours,
no loss
the
auto drain valve. That will
SO
work
will
like
remain
only
on
it removes
for
moisture
5
from
seconds
air
and will
receiver.
remain shut
It
for
will
the
not
rest
allowed
of the
to go
time.
out from compressor.
So
go
with
out
the
to
auto
compressor
drain
air.
solenoid valve
That is
with
also
timer,
very good.
you will be
Auto
removing the
drain valve.
moisture
The cost of
collected
that
at the
is
bottom of
slightly
the
higher than this.
tank at the
Then
right
check
level.
your application and
So protecting
you
your
can select
compressed
it.
air
Okay.
tank
Thanks for watching
also
my video.
reduces
Thanks
the
for your
load and
likes
increases
and
the
subscribes.
efficiency and
Thank you very much.
effectiveness of the air dryer, in turn protecting the equipment connected to the air dryer. So application of auto drain solenoid valve with timer. So whatever I am showing this picture, so where we can use this The auto drain solenoid valve can be used for air compressor filters, moisture separators, air dryers, off-road vehicles, locomotives, pipelines, air receivers, drain silent features of auto drain valve for air compressor. Drain silent feature of auto drain valve for air compressor, like lower air loss resulting in manual control, noise free, works with all type of condensate like water, water plus air plus dust, and material stainless steel, brass hard anodized aluminum, unique and highly reliable capacitance type of sensor, detects the rise of the condensate, start collecting in the drain valve, on time 1.5 second to 30 second. And specification of this auto drain valve, like input power is 240 volts AC, okay, and on time 1.5 second to 30 second, off time 0.5 minute to 45, and protection IP65 square DIN plug can be fitted at 90 degree at any of the three cable entry position. Okay. Electronic auto drain valve. Okay. So, and this auto drain valve, there is a big disadvantage: energy loss caused by air loss of the time converter. Amount of air loss for the time solenoid valve with 10 diameter based on 7 bar, like 7.2872 meter cube per minute. Setting time 5 second per 5 minute. Okay, 5 second for 5 minute. Condensate discharged for 1 second and air lost for 4 seconds. So 12 times per hour into 4 seconds by time per time, like divided by time, equal to 48 seconds per hour. So operation of 24 hours per day for 365 days. 24 hours per day into 48 seconds per hour into 365 days per year equal to 420480 seconds per year. So annual energy loss 7.2872 meter square per minute into 420480 second per year divided by 60 second per minute equal 5106 meter square per year. So this is the loss. Okay, in terms so apart this we have a zero loss condensate drain, like zero loss condensate drain in the sense level sensor type. There is almost zero air loss, ensuring high economic efficiency and fast recouping of initial investment. Large size drain prevents clogging and self-restoration for an emergency mode, improves safety. A strainer within the product prevents collection of scale, and automatic operation provides easy maintenance. A variety of models are available for small and large capacity compressors airline. Next, function, operating principle. So time to open a valve is calculated based on detection by a sensor. An emergency mode begins after 60 seconds. If condensate is not properly discharged, the emergency mode initiated the self restoration features and the valve is opened for 5 seconds for every 3 minutes as like time control valve. Temporarily. Okay, so automatic drain valve versus manual drain valve. What is the difference? I told you already before. Before we jump into the difference, know that most air compressors come with a manual compressor tank tray. It is located at the lowest part of your air tank. The water is generated by the pump and is taken into the tank by compressing the air. It goes to the lowest part of the tank, hence the drain is located there. The manual drain must be opened at least once every day to drain the water. If not done so, the water will accumulate inside the receiver and tons of gallons of water might be stored inside. And doing so every day can be difficult and is often overlooked, resulting in various issues. To tackle these issues, automatic drain valve came into being. It is essential to have automatic drains for industrial air compressors. The water is automatically drained after each use, keeping the tank water free and eliminating the possibility of corrosion. And auto drain valve. So what to consider during its purchase? That is also important. There are various things you should consider when buying an air compressor automatic drain valve. Firstly, it is important that you choose the right thread so that your drain valve easily connects with your air compressor. Look for a often male NPT inlet as it goes well with most air compressors. If needed, you can use a reducer so that it works properly. Okay, so next consider the discharge time and internal time of the auto drain valve. The discharge time determines the duration of how long the drain valve will remain open, while the internal time determines how often will the drain valve open. Look for a discharge time between 0.5 and 10 seconds, while an internal time between 30 and 45 seconds. Another thing to ensure is that the auto drain valve operates at the same levels as the maximum pressure of your air compressor. Look for anything above 200 psi, and don't forget to pick the right body for the auto drain valve. We highly recommend looking for brass as the body material because it is known to be durable and can withstand high pressure and temperatures. It is also resistant to corrosion. Okay, so if you have any doubts about this, just comments on below, like how does an auto drain work. Automatic drain works as a 2x2 drain valve which closes when the air compressor is pressurized. It opens when the liquid accumulates and makes the flow rise, and when it depressurized. Okay. So should I leave the drain valve open on my air compressor? It is important that you drain the tank every day and leave the drain valve open if it is not in use for some time. Doing so will let all the moisture drain out and reduce the chances of corrosion. Okay, this is the explanation about auto drain valve, and I explained the working principle and function and applications, and what is the difference between timer controller solenoid with timer controller auto drain valve and zero loss auto drain valve. So as per my suggestion is go with for zero loss auto drain valve because breathing air is free, atmospheric air is free, but when we compress that we will put some energy, so we don't want to waste that energy. Okay, thanks for watching my videos.